hamon at problema. Kahit na magkakapareho may pagkakaiba, ngunit ang pinagkaiba sa di na pagkakaisa. Sulong lang, sabay-sabay sa bundok na matarik, parang sugat na lika na maapakan ng tinig. Diretso lang, kahit gano'ng kalupit, hindi ikot ang sekundos na relo na pabalik. Tumingin ka sa liwanag na sa'yo'y papalapit, makinig ka sa katotohanan na aming sinasabit. Madadapa ka minsan, kakayanin mo pa rin dahil ang pusong biyuin nyo sa data mo sa dilim.
Nangangarap, biyuhin nyo, nagsisikap, sama-sama sa pangarap, kahit busy, tayo
Kakaibang luwi sa ating hati-hati, subalit sa huli nagwawagi pa rin. Marahil ay iba't iba ang kulay kilos sa salita, subalit sa huli nananaig ang pusong biyuhin nyo. Pusong biyuhin nyo. Pusong biyuhin nyo. Pusong biyuhin nyo. Ang pusong biyuhin nyo.
tatak biyuhin nyo. Wow, oh, wow, 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 oh. Wow, oh, wow, 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 oh. Wow, oh, wow, wow, wow. Mga pangarap kayang abutin, pag-asa ng ambisyon natin, hindi kuho at tulog-tulog.
Saan man magpuntay, isa ang pulong.
Ako, ikaw, tayo, kahit sino pa, pantay-pantay ang tingin sa isa't isa. Isang pangarap,
Isang hangarin, tayo ay kakbiyuhin nyo. Sumayo, umilag, sumayaw tayo, biyuhin nyo. Sama-sama tayo, tunay nga na ganda ang talay ng ating mga puso. Walang susuko, kahit anong problema, wala lang yan basta idaan sa ngiti lang. Pasok na yan at laging isipin na tayo'y nagkakbiyuhin nyo. Wow, oh, wow, 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 oh. Wow, oh, wow, 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 oh. Wow, oh, wow, wow, wow.
puso't isipan, nariyan ang taglay. Handang matuto, marunong maghintay. Sa pagsubok, di matitinag.
Kahit saan man iharap, di tayo papalag.
Ako, ikaw, tayo, kahit sino pa, pantay-pantay ang tingin sa isa't isa. Isang pangarap, isang hangarin, tayo ay tatak biyuhin nyo.
Sumayo, umilag, sumayaw tayo, biyuhin nyo. Sama-sama tayo, tunay nga na ganda ang talay ng ating mga puso. Walang susuko, kahit anong problema, wala lang yan basta didaan sa ngiti lang. Pasok na yan at laging isipin na tayo'y tatak biyuhin nyo.
Ngunit kahit di mabuti ang kinakasalakan, mga balakid sa daan parang hindi malagpasan. Tumingala, sa bituin ng karunungan pag sinabing biyuhan nyo, hindi yan uro. tulungan, dugo kasun, ating tinataglay. Ilapas mo sa baon, talentong ibinigay sa tinadyo sa mga. Kumbaga, iba ka sa kanila kung di ka nililiwa, patuloy niya kanta.
Mga talento natin na iba-iba, sa pamumuno tayo'y nagiging isa.
Sa serbisyo, hindi nagsusukuan. Kahit di na kaya,
Ay kakayanin pa. Tumayo, umitak, sumayaw tayo. Biyuhan nyo, sama-sama tayo. Tunay na naganda ang taglay ng ating mga puso. Walang susuko, kahit anong problema. Wala lang yan, basta tinaas ang ipila. Pasok na yan at laging isipin na tayo'y tatak. Ngayon, umitak, sumayaw tayo. Biyuhan nyo, sama-sama tayo. Tunay na naganda ang taglay ng ating mga puso. Walang susuko, kahit anong problema. Wala lang yan, basta tinaas ang ipila. Pasok na yan at laging isipin na tayo'y tatak. Biyuhan nyo, tatak. Biyuhan nyo, laging isipin na tayo'y tatak. Biyuhan nyo.
and being a host. A student first aspirates to much higher in his pursuit of quality nursing education, where respect is equal and responsibility is highly respected. Recognizing the importance and symbolic significance of the art and being an alum of the nursing profession, Bicol University Tabaco Campus celebrates its time-honored tradition of coffee, feeding, and candlelight ceremonies. Ladies and gentlemen, the procession. Starting with the candidates for coffee and feeding together with their parents. Please welcome the BUTC administration, faculty, and staff, together with our guest speaker, and also followed by Bicol University officials and our university president. May I invite everyone to please stand for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Professor Ivy Julio Candamo. Thank you very much. You may take your seats. To welcome us all to this momentous event, may I call the Associate Dean of Bicol University, Cagayan Campus, Dr. Karina B. Odette, for the welcome remarks.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome everyone to the 22nd face-to-face talking, healing, and candlelighting ceremonies of the Bicol University Cagayan Campus with the theme, BUTC Student Nurses, Rising Above COVID-19 Pandemic. This occasion symbolizes the official initiation of the brotherhood and sisterhood of nurses. Congratulations to our future leaders and to the parents who have sacrificed for their children. Thank you very much for coming, and let us welcome back the Master of the Ceremony, Mr. Ahmed Shakur.
Thank you, Ma'am. At this juncture, may I call the Dean of UBC, Dr. Maria Cesar Edward Vega, for the presentation of candidates for copy, pinning, and candlelight ceremonies. And this will be followed by the proclamation by our University President, Dr. Armando Mascareñas.
Mr. President, Dr. Armando Mascareñas, as Dean of the Legal University Tabaco Campus, it is my honor and great privilege to present to you 125 candidates for confirmation. 33 of them are male, 92 are female, worth to receive the symbol of nursing profession. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the course and hereby recommended for imposition of caps and fees.
As President of Legal University, I hereby confirm the 125 candidates as eligible to receive their caps and fees as symbol of the nursing profession. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you, Ma'am, sir. We are very privileged today because we have an important person. She is known for her great dedication to service, intelligence, and accomplishment. And to know her more, may I call on Professor Maria Teresa Aguilar, Chairperson of the Nursing Department, to introduce our keynote speaker.
The task of introducing a guest speaker is a great privilege. I know this one is difficult, but God, she is a woman of virtue and simplicity. I feel elated to introduce her to everyone. Today, we're lucky to have with us, sharing her time, symbol of what others aspire to be. A highly esteemed person, worth
Thank you, Professor Rodriguez, for the warm introduction, ma'am. Thank you. Dean President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Salinas. Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Ami Barroso. Dean of the College of Nursing, Dr. Jean Lee. Dean of Bicol University, Tabaco Campus, Dr. Maria Gisela Ortega. Chairperson of the Nursing Department, Professor Maria Teresa Maduro. Dr. Karina Orden, Associate Dean of UTC. Dean officials, faculty and staff of Bicol University, Tabaco Campus. Dear parents and guardians, dear members of this class of 2024, 2023, correct? Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. Is it warm? Okay. So thank you for the warm welcome this morning. And we are glad and happy that we are finally celebrating face to face. I sincerely thank the administration of Bicol University Tabaco Campus for inviting me to share this momentous day with you. After at least 18 months of virtual separations, we are finally celebrating this 22nd capping, hitting, and candlelighting ceremonies face to face. You know, pandemic has made us Superman and Superwoman because we could be in simultaneous events at the same time through the different internet applications. But face-to-face events such as this is still the much preferred. And of course today, we get to see and feel each other. Okay lang na may mask. At least I tried naman tayo, diba? And of course, you are dressed in your uniforms. And our professors are dressed in their uniform. And you can see each other face to face. I remember our capping ceremonies and our affiliation were my much anticipated events in my life as a student nurse. We are really transitioning to the new normal. Today, there are at least 56 higher education institutions in Bicol region that have already opened their campuses. Initially, for health programs, and just recently, for the other programs as well. For Bicol University, you have identified programs that are ready to admit students face to face. We respect that some HIs still prefer flexible learning, even if CHED has already encouraged all to open campuses and slowly return to the new normal. We acknowledge that HEIs have already invested in flexible learning, like better internet connections or materials and equipment for module making. But we also recognize that some subjects and skills like related learning experience cannot really be taught by modules or online. So we So, we thank God because you are here and we are all here today.
So this is what we get here face to face. Okay, if we were at home and on virtual celebrations, we can just say that our internet connection has a problem. But today we experience ano ba ito? Brownout or probably
Okay, so I think that's better. Okay, so our internet connection is better, but we are face to face, so we say that power is better. Okay, and maybe later we'll also have better power supply of electricity. Okay, but we thank God also for this experience. We feel the heat of the sun, even while it's an education, which means that they're alive and they have survived COVID. For the candidates for today's campaign, pinning and candlelighting ceremonies, your decision to be present today and your attendance today is a proof that you have risen above the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID pandemic has taught the world a harsh lesson about fragility of the many systems we rely on each day and their interconnectedness. Health is the system most significantly impacted, and the COVID nurse roles and responsibilities within that system emerged as a key layer. Many people recognize for the first time why nurses and other health professionals are important not just to patient experience, but also to community health. The role of nurses and their experience shepherding patients through a pandemic will continue to be critical in rebuilding community health and preparing for the next health crisis if and when one should arise. Nurses are leading in ways that are quite similar to their usual work, but during a crisis, visibility and awareness of the work is higher. The pandemic is heightening the need for team care or team-based care, infection control, person-centered care, and other skills that really speak to the strengths of nurses. In fact, nurses and the other members of the healthcare team are now called the modern-day Department of Labor and Employment Secretary Bello said that in February 2021 that the Philippines has an oversupply of nurses right now. On the other hand, the World Health Organization, or WHO, highlighted in a report released on World Health Day that there is a global shortage of nurses at a time when nursing staff and other health professionals are working around the clock responding to coronavirus disease. The WHO report states of the world's nursing 2020 projects that without action, there will be a shortfall of 4.6 million nurses worldwide by 2030. In the Philippines, the projected shortfall of nurses is expected to be 249,843 by 2030, unless greater investment is made now to retain them in the Philippine health sector. Nurses are important in managing the health crisis because they are a vital link between the patient and the rest of the healthcare team. We are, with the patient's whole shift, and through assessment and critical thinking, are able to notice subtle changes with the patient that could indicate decompensating or get worse or getting better. We are able to determine the human response to the medical problem. Nurses relay assessment findings to providers, are able to assess the patient's response to medical treatments and educate patients along with providing a listening ear or a coming touch. As nurses, we have to ensure that all patients acquire personalized, high-quality services irrespective of their infectious condition. Nurses have been engaged in planning for COVID-19 related outbreaks, which increased demand for nursing and healthcare services that actually overloaded the systems. We will continue to be at the front line of patient care in hospitals and actively involved with evaluation and monitoring in the community. A global pandemic needs strong nurse staff engagement in clinical management, awareness, and knowledge exchange and public safety. The world needs you. So as you receive the caps and pins, which signify your acceptance of this occasion, let me thank each of you for making this noteworthy decision to take the road to be modern day heroes in your program. You are telling the world that you are ready for the more challenges in the nursing profession. Correct? Are you sure there's no backing out? As student nurses, dealing with the pandemic has not been easy, but evidently you are rising above the COVID-19 pandemic. Flexible learning, modules, virtual classes, etc. All of these were definitely not easy, but you managed to go through. Returning to the hospital and classrooms during the pandemic has equally not been an easy decision for the administration of Bicol University, your family, and you. But you decided to return to limited face-to-face classes and related learning experiences to be able to complete your BSN requirements. What a meaningful decision. Bicol University remains to be one of the the Philippines and the world, striving for excellence in every way. Do your share to be a worthy alumna or alumnus. I always share this in occasions like this. We cannot all be summa, mania, or cum laudes, or be the Lawrence Nightingale awardee, or even the President's awardee. But we can be outstanding in whatever we do. Let's not settle for mediocrity. Let's do our best and always our best. The 21st education tells us that excellence is no longer being exceptional in our academic performances, epitomized with scores and marks. Gardner calls multiple intelligence, which elucidates that intelligence is no longer defined by academic grades alone. The nurse's competence and capability exhibited with warm touch, charming smile, and focused quiet attention are all forms of intelligence. Whatever intelligence that you have, make it a challenge to do your best at all times. My wish for all of you is to enjoy life. Appreciate what you have and do your share. This is a preparation for tomorrow. The best, your best, is yet to come. As I mentioned earlier, we have listened about the COVID-19 pandemic. To be able to be present at this event is already a great achievement. All of these sleepless nights, so to speak, hirap sa duty, hirap sa research, all of these would pass and will soon be just part of school memories. What would make it more significant is when you look back, you smile, and there are no regrets because you've made everything. You've made your best. And you're just that good. No effort is infinite. Even heartaches will be useful in the future. There are no coincidences. Everything has reasons for happening. Even COVID has reasons for happening. Therefore, if you do well, you gain the harvest. If you do take things for granted, you also reap the fleeting yield. A worthy author just said, a grateful and positive heart is the beginning of greatness. Yes, indeed, because a grateful heart will boost your energy as you strive for competence and capability. But the negative heart will be too heavy that it would pull you down. Let us lighten our baggage not only intellectually, but also spiritually. May this day give you abundant enthusiasm to continue to rise above the COVID-19 pandemic. You are capable of great things more than you can imagine. All you have to do is ensure your share, focus and have faith in yourself and in God. May this day be the start of a safer, more amazing journey towards the nursing profession and beyond. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for that inspiring message. May the challenges that will be encountered by our students, especially this pandemic, will serve as an igniting factor for their passion, love, and care. To our future nurses, the world needs you, as Mom Vinyas said. And to award the plaque of appreciation and token to our guest speaker, may I call on our President, Dr. Arnulfo Mascarenas, the Dean of UTC, Dr. Maria Isela Ortega, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan, and the Chair of Nursing Department, Professor Maria Teresa Madrilemos. And before that, allow me to read first the content of the book. Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Tabaco Campus, Nursing Department, Taguig, Tabaco City. This plaque of appreciation is awarded to Dr. Maria Pamela Sora Vinyas, Child Education Supervisor 2, in grateful acknowledgement of her distinguished and invaluable services rendered as guest of honor and speaker during the 22nd Happy, Peace, and Candlelight ceremonies, thereby contributing immeasurably to the success of the occasion. Given the 5th day of May in the year of our Lord 2022 at BUPC Lakman Auditorium, Bicol University, Tabaco Campus, Taguig, Tabaco City. Signed, Maria Teresa C. Madrileros, Head Nursing Department, and Dean Maria Isela Ortega, and our University President, Dr. Arnulfo Mascarenas. Thank you, sir, and welcome. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the entrance of Florence Nightingale, Dr. Marie D. Esparez, and the reading of the nursing symbols by Professor Joanna Octavio.
The Bicol Tabaco Campus Nursing Department welcomes you to the happy, healing, and candlelighting ceremonies. This is indeed an affair to remember, for this marks the beginning of a more challenging endeavor for the candidates on this occasion. And I think that is right and proper to take a glimpse of Florence Nightingale's life and what the cup, the king, and the lamb represents. The history of nursing is of constant evolution. The nursing profession owes much to the influence of Florence Nightingale, a woman with a vision who was born to a wealthy and intellectual family. She was a well-traveled person. Despite the strong opposition from her family, she continued to practice her nursing profession, for she believed that she was called by God to help others and to improve the well-being of mankind. She proceeded to change the world's view of the nurse. The outbreak of the Crimean War gave her opportunity for achievement. It is where she earned the title, The Lady with the Light. She elevated the status of nursing to a more respected occupation, improved the quality of nursing care, and founded modern nursing education. Let's take a look at each of these nursing symbols. Nurses' uniform. A starch white nursing uniforms, complete with stockings and white shoes, are how nurses dressed during Florence Nightingale's days in the profession. It's safer, cleaner, and more economical. It creates a morale, booster, and lessens self-consciousness in the world. It reflects the school's history and tradition, for its rapid It identifies her for the patient, to his family, and other co-workers in the hospital. It is a part of public image. Nurses should respect their uniform and the tradition it represents. It should only be worn during the tour of duty. Nurses Club. The popular image of the traditional nurse would be woefully incomplete without the ubiquitous Nurses Club. It has both sentimental and traditional significance. It identifies the school at which one receive preparatory nursing education and approbation period. There is an identifying link between graduates and students of same school. It has a positive psychological value for both students and patients to whom they are assigned. It has vast importance coupled with responsibilities by working. It is for male. Here is for male nurse and legal of the camp. Medical conditions composed of the staff of the traveler interlined with two circles. The symbol of Asclepius and his LA power. At the apex of the staff are two rings of Hermes, Mercury for his spirit, lamp and light. A symbol of pride and achievement. It prepares the student for broader responsibilities. These nurse symbols tell a story about this noble healthcare profession.
Thank you. The cupping ceremony is a momentous event wherein student nurses receive the much coveted cups and pins, and the candle lighting signifies the student nurses' acceptance of the challenges of the nursing profession. At this point, we are request our University President, Dr. Arnulfo Emas Carinas, our Dean, Dr. Maria Solano Teta, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia Rosa, and the Chair of the Nursing Department to assist us in the cupping and pin. So, ladies and gentlemen, the lighting of lamps and imposition of cups and pins. And also, we'd like to request your presence to assist us in the pin. Ladies and gentlemen, the male candidates. Atos Ian Christopher M. Bagumbayan, Washington Drive, Legazpi City. Basas Nathaniel Andrew C. Luya Arroy Mascate. Belando John Mayer. Zone 1 San Purong 9, Baroka Street, Lower Bangka, Papayana. Bonina Manuel Jr. Zone 7, Babaco City. Bonto Carl Vicente, San Lorenzo, Babaco City. and Shalusin Alawi, DSWD Resettlement Site Quezon Legazpi City, Estrada Miguel Pangilinan Abacog City, Pulong Christian Tech, Bulusan Sorcerer, Gobole Timothy Sharpi, Somri Ulan Sorcerer, Hugo Adrian Josh M. Raja Imperial Foundation, Kinanet Walang Itagwan. Estures Alejandro Second Queen, Masbate City, Masbate. Hanoras Mark Kevin E. Sorsogon City, Sorsogon. Lamunoy Benedict E. Herrera Street, Barangay Manoco, Bukat, Sorsogon. Lanusa Mike Christian E. East District, Sorsogon City, Sorsogon. Padua, John Bernard P. Purupon, Libo, Urialba. Purisima, Angelo C. Zone 3, Balibo, Malinao, Alba. Sena, Joshua F. Barangay Luwasan, Malakang, Camarines. Toscano Roberto Jr. Barangay 7 and Lawood, Barangay Street, Akapay, Albay. Villamor Raya Natanias, Malilipon, Albay. Ilana East Iverson P. Masbate City, Masbate. Asis Adela B. Vincent Amarilis Norte. Avengosa Iowa B. Kalanggaman Sikot Camariksi. Avila Marat Shaini. Borabo Banao Albay. Azur Rikawi B. Mayaw-mayawan Ikot Camariksi. Balbalosa Chelsea Mayon. Number 201, Zone 1, Dumac, Lawo, Boracay, Albay. Balbi Junior Michelle C. Urcor Santa Misericordia, Santo Domingo, Albay. Diamo Sofia A. Urok 2, Barangay number 47, Alimbay, Legazpi City. Bo Joyce G. Urok 1, Albayo, Manilipot, Albay. Bombita Joan B. Zone 2, Manilok, Tabaco City. Bonafed Barangay E. Barangay 2, Ian's Bar South, Legazpi City. Bonaowa Lea Lerna R. Happy Homes, Agas, Tabaco City. Bonaowa Missy Thea P. Zone 3, San Jose, Manilipot, Albay. Bonigas Jeanette A. Urok 7, Pawang, Tabaco City. Buenaflor Vanessa Jane B. San Vicente, Tabaco City. Buena Sheila May Con, Zone 7, Bumihan, Tabaco City. Buiteren Grisha Daniela T. Urok 5, Leon Manito, Albay. Bursen Saya P. Zone 5, Saturong, San Miguel, Tabaco City. Cardano Shaira C. Sugod, Hindi, Albay. Sais Marian Zone 4 Suwat Paginawan Pa. Seya Christine Joy P. Zone 2 San Vicente, Davao City. Sidro Maria Iliani, Urutri Como Davao City. Cristino Claire Paul, Zone 1 Malawi Lubon, Noa, Camarines Sur. Cuevas Jolie Marie F. 282 Imaaw, Pili, Camarines Sur. Da Antonia Miguel P. Uruguay, San Carlos, Davao City. Dasilio Michelle C. Uruguay, Dapat, Ujigalpa. Dakuya Ana A. P. Zone 2 Oras, Davao City. Fuelias Jasmine Chi, por Tanda ang Doctor School. Fuentes Abel B. Taipei Tabaco City. Gabionsa Catherine S. San Pedro Perusi Sorsogon. Gan Sheila Marie P. Fatima Tabaco City. Hema John Michael B. Sabak Luzon Sorsogon. Gigantonga Andrews Chi. A. Bonifacio Unang Sorsogon. Gonzalo Icamay A. Liz Gagaron Magnog Sorsogon. Triviane Elisa P. Zone 6 Maramugon, Tabaco City. Gutierrez Shelby P. Uruguay, Barangay Martin, Makakay, Oban. Hinanay Rose P. Masbate City, Masbate. Puntano Ernestine Rafael P. Block 28, Block 3, Shea Pangaliban Street, San Alfonso Homes, Bacol, Naga City. Laguna Kimberly L. Ulabog Surgical City. La Pasaran Shaira J. Purong 7, Barangay 4, sa Pololay, Legazpi City. Legazpi Selvi. Bahala Poblasyon Catalina Mascara. Leonor Galipati, Purong 7, San Ramon, Babaco City. Lorimo Donosky, Antique, Licao City. Maravilla Andrea L. Barangay Morocco, Surgical City, Sorsogon. Seguridad Kimberly L. Zone 1 Nagli Maninaw Alba. Moyo Marian L. Mascaran Igor Kamaling Alba. Navato Christine Joy G. Santa Maria, Bulacan. Corbase Elaine G. Purong 6 Apuo Ramis Legazpi City. Oro Naniman G. Tugas Aknog First Grade. Padilla Mika L. Nagda Bulusan Sorso. Parma Giovanna Grace P. San Vicente Pili Camarines. Peralta Vanessa Shin G. San Isidro Iligasuri Camarines. Pawikan na Tayhan Masbate, Ruscha Joan Franz Fitch, San Fernando, Santo Domingo, Alcalá. Sagario Maria P. Sikomo Pangalisan. Salazar Sara Michelle P. Zone 2, Santo Cristo, Tabaco City. Sanlen Laika M. San Juan, Tabaco City. Tobias Antoinette Jen M. Dapdap, Sol, Masbate. Tusi Elisa Manuela Juan, 1A Mercer Street, Masbate City, Masbate. Ugaundo Dalmachi, Zone 1, Bulag Sarso. Valenzuela Jenny A, Castilla Sarso. Ventura Bar Iwanikon, Maruroy Nagkaangkay. Villarreal Sana Sharakachi, Bulag Sarsugo. university officials, to the parents and to our students, thank you very much. At this point, may I call on Dr. Rabini Espadas for the Florence Nightingale Pledge.
Please raise your hand and repeat after me. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain for whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and I will not take nor knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and withhold in confidence all personal matters committed to my duty and all family affairs to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty, I will endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. So help me God.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So our dear parents, faculty members, and guests, please welcome our students as they sing the BUCNP and their march song. Let us give them a round of applause.
rising nightingales. Evermore we will wait for the glory of your name. In our hearts will resound your Hallelujah. You
decide was I gonna play it safe? Someone gave me time. I tried to turn the tide. Finally, step away. This is mine now. I'm living in the moment. As I look around, I can't believe the love I see. My peace behind me, gone are the shadows and doubt that was there. This is mine now, and I have the courage like never before. Settle for less, no one ready for more, ready for more. This is mine now. I'm living in the moment. As I look around, I can't believe the love I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and doubt that was there. This is mine now. I'm living in the moment. As I look around, I can't believe the love I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and doubt that was there. This is mine now. This is mine now.
At this point, we would like to invite our university officials, our guests, and faculty members to join with our students for the photo opportunity. Thank you very much. This event will not become possible and successful without the support of the following. And on behalf of the BU Tobacco Campus Administration and the Nursing Department, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the parents and guardians, to our guests, and to the university officials. Thank you for sharing your precious time with us.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by man of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for He will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Biko University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, sea of truth and light. Biko University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, seed of truth and light.